Hi everyone, this is just a quick little dessert recipe you can make with some Nutella and some croissant rolls. So I'm just going to unravel these croissant rolls and then I'm going to fill them up with a little row of Nutella. I'm just stretching them out a little bit. And now I'm just going to roll it up into a tube and give it a little twist. And I'm joining it with the other triangle there and adding some more Nutella so it will look like one long continuous Nutella croissant twist. And the next step is to put it into my baking pan. And there it is. So I'm going to continue that step with the rest of my Nutella and the croissants. If you don't have any Nutella right now, you could also use chocolate chips. And another good idea would be to use cream cheese mixed up with a little sugar to make a little simple cheesecake mix. And you could always substitute the croissant dough for biscuit dough. So this is how it looks, and you can bake it just like that, or you can give it a little sugar cinnamon topping and sprinkle that on top and have it even sweeter. Now we have to bake this for about 20 minutes. If you take it out any earlier than 20 minutes, the dough may be raw, so it's a good idea to put a little foil on top if you see that it's getting a little too crisp. Thanks for watching this video and check out some other great videos on our channel.